Welcome. In front of me I have REALME 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can scan your fingerprint when screen is turned off. So I'm talking about this moment. As you can see, screen is completely turned off, and we can try to scan it, but it doesn't work. So if you want to get it instant, you have to go for settings, find fingerprint, face and password, move to the fingerprint, use your verification method, and by now just simply click on the screen of unlock and tap to show fingerprint icon. So just take a look how it looks right now. When you lock the screen, we will get this icon here and we can unlock. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.